Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit a check on Scotiabank. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the Scotiabank app, come here and tap on Move Money. And from here I want you to tap on a deposit a check, okay? And then you need to choose the account you're depositing to. And let's say we choose this one, Savings Money Master. You just select that. And then you need to enter the amount that shows as per the check. So you come here, just enter the amount right here, and once you're done, you just tap on done. And now we need to take pictures of the check. So the front of the check, so you take your picture, make sure that, use the front of the check with all the numbers visible, and then you center the check, okay, on a darker background. So it's easier for them to scan it, tap on continue, and this is what it should look like, right? All the numbers visible. And then click on use image, and then do the same thing for the back of the check, just like this. And then make sure you have your signature, tap on use image, and you can go ahead and slide this to the right to deposit, okay? And your deposit should be accepted. If you take a clear photo, the amount is correct, then you just tap on finish, and it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.